Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will be demonstrating the next e-commerce application for which we are making the clone of it. Okay, so this is the application. This is called 6am Mart. You can get it from 6am Mart. Just you can Google 6am Mart and you can get the code canyon from here to download, to buy, and here you can get the demo. So we will be trying to make the UI and making it functional with the admin panel as well as the Android application for the user delivery and the store management. So let's go through the app. So this is the login screen for all locations. This is password. As you can see, the multiple option of login social and sign up. Sign up will take further details, and we can continue as guest. So now this is first we see the location, the notification. Okay, the that banners of trending things, the categories, the product type. Here we can get groceries. Okay, and the pharmacy, the shopping, the food, and the parcel, everything is there. So and here are different locations your address will be displayed, and there are featured stores from the medicine, pharmacy, shopping, and etc. So let's take a look with the we can take a look with the shopping part. So here is the categories. Here are the popular stores, and these are the popular items which are nearby to your location. Okay, so let's open any category, and there will be search thing, store, the stores nearby, the products, and you can see the shimmer effect, your cart. Also the fashion store, you can just it's a kind of dummy stores. Okay, now this is the favorite button, so you have to log in with and continue. There's a what's your orders, and these are the menus. Okay, so you can go to the profile and sign in. Let's okay, and you can see the address. You can just change the location. Also, you will have the coupons, about us, and all the menus that are required. This will be here. So so we will be making the app. If you have any suggestion and what should we use as a state management, please do comment in the video in the comment section, and also you can give suggestion so I can make that thing much better than expected. So that's all from in this video. We'll be soon starting with the Firebase, and we will be using Map API. Stay tuned, and yeah, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Bye, and happy new year to everyone.